acknowledge your feelings and acknowledge your emotions, acknowledge how you might be feeling. And it seems like just one of those things that people say, but actually, we have to be kind to ourselves and acknowledge that it's okay not to be okay all the time. Really, what is stress? We talk about stress all the time. People say, I'm so stressed. I'm stressed out by my kids. I'm stressed out by my work. Really, what is stress? Well, here it says stress is tension, strain, or pressure from a situation that requires us to use, adapt, or develop new coping skills. Often, the word stress is very negatively related. So it's got a negative connotation to it. But actually, stress can be sometimes positive. Perception plays a key role in interpreting how stressful situations are. This might sound cliche because people may talk about it. This is a part that we have control over because it is how we choose to perceive something. So this idea of it's okay not to be okay. I think I've used the word acknowledge a few times. Acknowledge your feelings and acknowledge your emotions, acknowledge how you might be feeling. And it seems like just one of those things that people say, but actually, we have to be kind to ourselves and acknowledge that it's okay not to be okay all the time. Research shows that a third of our longevity is inherited. Basically, what that means is that a third of how long we live is based on genetics, which means the good news is that 2/3 of it we're in control of and we have a say over. If we're saying that stress causes burnout and burnout causes illness eventually, then being able to have the strategies in place to control that will mean that you're a happier person, you live healthier. That will mean that you have the ability to live longer. So if stress is a constant, what we need to do is to learn the management skills that can help us manage the stresses that we have control over.